Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this little travel dog bed, and I've got my little girl here. We're gonna get her in the car. This thing's really versatile as far as what all it can do because it's got these nice carrying straps that you could carry with you. It's got the little side. We'll show you how it all works. But first, let's get it in the car and get her strapped in. So in the car seat, it actually has this little buckle here that you can hook their harness on. And then this would then just go over the back of the car here. And then this can also go around the back seat. So you can undo these buckles and have this here. Go around the seat and then buckle on the other side. So now I've got my little girl strapped in here and she is ready for a nice little car ride. This little thing is super plush. It is nice and soft and it has got a lot of padding in there. So she'll be able to hang out in there and just be chilling. It's really nice. It's got a waterproof outside. It's got these awesome pockets that you can put dog treats or bags or whatever you want to put in there. Or you could take the bed, if you didn't want to have them in the front of the car or anything, and just have them sitting in the trunk. And then we can undo these zippers and have like a little sofa for them. So it's got little buttons here. You can put the buttons down and snap it in. You can remove all of this. She's still strapped in at the moment, but you can even take this off and just have it as a nice little bed for the dog, because this part can just kind of get tucked under. And now you've got a little bed for the dog too. So you can even use these little pockets to put the extra straps in there. If you're just going to use this as a dog bed out traveling, and they have a nice little couch. And on the inside of the bed, this little pad is actually removable. So you have a little pillow that you can have a nice warm side for the winter, or you can have it a cooling side for the summer. So that is a really neat little feature. And this whole top part has a zipper that you can take this off and then be able to wash it. So if it did get dirty, just wash it up, clean it, and the little puppies are ready to sit in there again. And now my little girl is all comfy in her plush little bed.